In this video, I will tell you how to add the file into tracker and how to commit that file, how to check a logs. Those things let me see in this video. So first, I'm going to create one directory. I am currently in root path, so I'm going to uh, opt. So you can see that I'm currently in OPT directory. I am creating one directory, so name as a folder 1. I am just switching into that directory. Then I will create a one file, touch file 1. So you can see that I have created one file. I'm going to edit that file using this nano command. So I'm just writing some code. A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. So this is my first code. Control O, enter, Control X. So now we are going to add that file. For that, you have to use git status command first. Git status. So it is saying like a fatal, not git repository or any other parent directories. So in here we are not initiated the git yet. We have installed the git, but we are not initiated the git in this directory. So for that we have to use git init. So git is initiated. Empty git repository. It is saying that empty git repository is initiated. Okay. So it is saying that ls-lrt. So it initiated the git now. So now we use git status command. So you can see that we have created one file which is called file 1, which is like in untracked format. So which is like in untracked one. So I'm clearing the screen again. I am just typing the command git status. Now it is showing that it is in untracked file. So we need to make it as a tracked one. For that I can explain in the paint. So we are currently in local repo. Sorry, we are currently in the working directory. So this is working directory. Working directory, we are here. Okay, so we need to push this into staging area. Staging area is nothing, it is a hidden area, we can't see that area. So usually once we edited something or added something untracked file, we will bring into staging area. So for that we have to give git add file 1. So now we are brought into staging area. You can check via this git status command. You can see that now the untracked file is changed to something like new file. So next we need to commit it. What will happen when you commit? When you commit this file, it will again go to local repo. Means local repository. It will go to local repository. That's what we are going to do. Okay. So for that, we are going to type that command git commit -m. You have to pass this parameter. So you can pass inside the quotation message. I am mentioning first commit So now it got committed. We can check again using git status. So it is saying that on branch master nothing to commit, working tree clean, which means there is no other files to commit, and this file got committed. It means our file is now in local repo. Okay, so on branch master, branch is nothing but it is your local repo, one of the folder, like that you can consider. You can check using git branch. When you put git branch command, you can see that it have only one master. We are in master now, so the master is fine, and we are on master, and we no need to nothing to commit, and the thing is everything is fine. Now I will show you one more thing. I will show you git log. When you put git log, it says, it shows your message what you mentioned in the colon first commit. Okay, next it is says the time when you committed and how you committed, which user committed. I committed as a root user. Next it is showing committed commit id. Okay, you can again we can do the modification. So if you see this file, I am again going to commit. So again I mention a plus b is equal to c. Okay, this is my code. Simply I'm just writing, don't think it have some meaning. Okay, you can type anything. And now you can see git status, again it is showing as a modified. Okay, it means now we have done some editing, so that's why it is showing as a modified. Now our file in staging area. Again I am going to commit this git commit hyphen m. Now I'm going to add and commit both on same command I'm going to do. So you, when you editing something, you should add, after that you should commit. So I am doing the both on same command git commit hyphen am, and I'm mentioning the same on my message. I'm mentioning like a second commit, so it got committed. Now you can see using git log command. So I have done first commit and I have done second commit. So you can see using single command git log hyphen one line. In single line you can see this both commit.